In this tutorial, we're going to be calculating percentages of given money amounts, and we'll be using a calculator to do that. So it's nice and simple and very straightforward. So I'll just clear my calculator. Let's show you how. The only thing you really need to know for these kinds of problems is that this word here, of, that really means to multiply. And the same goes for this one down here. It really means multiply. So it's kind of like this, 35% multiplied by $7.20. Now, if you type this into your calculator, you'll get 35% of 720. So I'll show you how to do that. So 35, don't have to worry about percent yet. So 35 multiplied 7.20. So push the percent button now, and then you push the equals, and you get this $2.52. So $2.52. Okay. Second one, let's do that one. So we get 62, and then we push multiply by 8, and we don't push equals yet. We go percentage, equals, and 4.96. So let's write that down, 4.96. We're talking money, dollars, and that's it. It's as simple as that.